Welcome to Wallpaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to resize wallpaper in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your gallery app. Now from here open any picture that you want to set as your wallpaper. If I open this image and then tap on three dots, and here you can see set as wallpaper option, then just tap here. Now from here choose any option. If I select lock screen, now from here you can resize your wallpaper and you can make any shape as you want. Now if you cannot find it option here, just go back and then tap on this pencil icon. You can also resize or edit your wallpaper from here. Just set your preferred size and then tap on save, then tap on save again, and it's done. And that way you can resize your wallpaper. Now just set the wallpaper, then select any option and then tap on done. Now if I lock my device, and it's done. And that is how you can resize wallpaper in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.